Day 7 here in Nicaragua. Things are going great with camp. Kirk's doing a fantastic job having everything organized with these boys. The day started off great again with another devotional. After breakfast, Domingo Parmo from Messiah taught a lesson today on the presentation of sermons and how to get up and present before an audience. After lunch, then Francisco Polanco taught a class on the life of the preacher and his example, and showed kids that really a preacher has to live the sermons, and that's the best way to make sure that your message is heard by the audience. After supper tonight, Marcos Pantoja delivered a sermon on the Sermon on the Mount for our midweek Bible study. He did a fantastic job on going through the entire sermon and showing how Jesus taught people. Then finally tonight after that, we did a song leading class with the boys, and each one of the boys got up and led a song, and they did a fantastic job using the skills that they've been taught. So it's been just a fantastic job. One of the great things about this whole process is that everybody is invested. The teachers are doing a fantastic job with their classes. They seem to just, attack each theme and really put their all into it. The counselors are just doing a fantastic job helping each of the boys in any way that they can, whether it's making sure they're where they need to be on time, or whether it's helping out through sermon preparation. Everybody just is so invested in everything that's going on. It's been really neat to see. We're so proud of all the boys and all the hard work that they're doing. They are interested, they're invested, they're excited about everything that's going on. And that's really unique for a camp that's just happening for the first time. When you come to an event like this for the first time, you don't know what to expect. And none of these boys knew what to expect. So there's so many great things going on, and we're so excited about how things have been going. Thank you for your time tonight, and God bless.